Binary search. It is an algorithm which searches for an element in a sorted array. This is called binary because here in each iteration we are splitting the search space into two parts repeatedly and choosing the best one to continue the search in each iteration. In each step, we are dividing the array into two parts, okay? And depending on the key element, we are choosing one part, okay? And then again, we are splitting that one part also into two more parts. So in each iteration, we are splitting the array into two parts. That's why we call it as binary search. And that particular element may be found in my array or may not be found in my array. Okay, if the search element is found in an array, then we call it as successful search. If the element is found in the array. If it is not found, then we say that search is unsuccessful. Okay. And remember one thing, when we are applying this binary search, we are always dealing with the sorted array. If the array is not sorted, the given array is not sorted, then you have to sort them either in ascending order or descending order. We usually go for ascending order only. Okay. Now you found the array which is sorted, okay, and say you have to search for the element. That element is called a key, okay. And in the beginning, first we have to find what is the first element, okay, first index, and then the last index. Then you have to find mid, okay, where you are splitting the given array. So initially first will be 0 and last will be length of the array, last item where it is found, index of the last item. Okay. And mid is nothing but always first plus last divided by 2. Okay. Initial stage first will be 0 but need not be every time in every iteration. So you are finding mid. Now what you are doing is you are comparing the key element with mid. Okay, suppose my array is A, then I'll just write A of mid. Now I'm comparing key element with A of mid. If the key element is greater than A of mid, then you are searching in the second part, okay. Search for the element in second half or second part. So when you're doing this here, for the iterations, first value will be changed to mid plus 1 and last one value will remain as it is, okay. So you're finding the last one, then again you are going for finding the new mid value, that is first plus last divided by 2, and you proceed. This is the case if the element which we want to search is greater than A of mid. Otherwise, if suppose this element key is less than A of mid, then you are searching in the first half. Search in the first part of an array. Okay. There, see, if this happened initially and in the second iteration, maybe this is the situation. There we are changing the last entry. Okay. Last will become mid minus 1. First will say remain as it is. Okay. Depending on the iteration which you are performing. Okay. So this is the case if k is greater than a of mid, you are searching in the second part. If k is less than a of mid, then you are searching in the first part. There may be the situation like you may get key element is equal to a of mid. That means you found the element which you are supposed to find. Okay. So in that case, search will be successful. Okay, search is successful in the sense you found the element which you are searching. Okay, so their search ends. We say we found the element in this particular index. So let us take one example. Suppose I have an array 6, 8, 10, 12, 33, 40, 42, 49, say 51, and last element, let me take it as 58. Okay, now we'll go for their indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are elements from 0 to 9. Sorry, elements with the indices from 0 to 9. Now, say key element, I'm taking it as, say, I just want to search for the element, say 40. Now you look at this. This is the sorted array. Okay, they may give you unsorted array. In that case, first thing you have to do is sort them either in ascending order or descending order. It is better to go for ascending order array only. Okay, it is quite easy. Okay, now I have to search for the element 40. So first step in the first iteration, first I have to calculate what is first. What is the first index? That is 0 here. What is last? It is 9. Now I have to calculate mid equal to first plus last by 2. So it is 0 plus 9 by 2. It is 4.5. We usually take it as 4. Okay. Now A of mid is nothing but A of 4. What is that entry? It is 33. You can observe that the element key is greater than A of mid, isn't it? Key is 40 and this 40 is greater than 33. So you are searching in the second part. So for the next iteration, search in second part. In the sense, see, when you have considered mid as 4, so here the array is divided into two parts now. This is the first part and this is the second part. So the A of mid value is less than the element we are searching, that is 40. Therefore, we are searching in the second part. Okay, so let us write the second part now for the second iteration. So searching in the second part. So it starts from 40, 42, 49, 42, 49, then 51 and 58, I guess. Yes. Okay. So this 40 is in the index 5, 6. Let me 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the indices. Now when you are doing this procedure where key is greater than A of mid, you are going for the second part and you are writing first. First as mid plus 1. First equal to mid plus 1. So mid was 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. First equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. And then you are finding last equal to same thing here 9. then you are finding mid. Mid equal to first plus last by 2. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 by 2 equal to 7. Now you search for A of mid. You find A of mid, that is A of 7. A of 7 is 49. So you check with the key and A of mid. A of mid. So key is 40 and A of mid I got it as 49. Now key is less than A of mid. So what you have to do when key is less than A of mid, you have to search in first part. Okay. So we'll go for the next iteration. First part means in this array you are considering the first part. A of 7 is the mid. So this is the mid part. Okay, here we are considering the array into two parts. Okay, now this is the first part. So I have to search here. So my array will become now only 40 and 42. So this is the fifth index and this is the sixth index. Now first is nothing but, see here key is less than A of mid. So first will not get changed. It is 5 only. But last is nothing but mid minus 1. So mid is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. And you have to find new middle value, that is first plus last by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2. So it is 11 by 2, in the sense it is 5. I mean, we are considering it as 5. So you search, you check whether key is same as A of mid. Key is 40 and A of mid is nothing but A of 5. A of 5 is 40. So key is equal to A of mid. In the sense, element 40, key element 40 is found in index 5. Key 40 is found in or found at index 5. So we say that search is successful. Search is successful. I hope you understood. I'll just let you know once again. See here it is there. Array is given. It is a sorted array. First thing is we are finding first index and last index. Then we are finding the mid entry. Just by taking first index plus last index by 2. Okay. If you are getting it in terms of fractions, write it in terms of to the lower value. Okay. Now you are checking key with A of mid. If you are getting key is greater than A of mid, then go for the search in the second part. Okay. And in case if you are getting key is less than A of mid, then search in the first part of the array. Okay. Here when you are taking key equal to A of mid, if you are getting, then search is over. You found the element. And if key element is greater than A of mid, like this, in this case, 40 is greater than 33, so you are searching in the second part. So first value will get changed in the next iteration to mid plus 1 and last value will remain same, and then again you are checking key value with the mid. Here in this situation you are getting key value as less than the A of mid, so you are searching in the first part of the array, that is here from 40 to 42. So the array is now divided into two, that is 40, 42, then the 49, 51, 58. So you are searching in the first part. So key was less than a of mid. Therefore last value will get changed to mid minus 1 and first is 5 only. Okay. Now you are finding mid again. Here I am getting mid as 5 and I am getting key element equal to mid. When key becomes a of mid, search is successful and you have found the element. So that is the binary search. In each iteration, in every step, we are dividing an array or we are splitting an array into two parts. That's why we call this as search, binary search. Thank you.